Getting into a fender bender can be a scary experience, and it can be difficult to think clearly in the heat of the moment. In fact, filling out a car crash report could be the last thing on your mind, especially when there are injuries or significant damages involved. In this video, we'll break down all car accident reporting requirements to make it easy for you. We'll cover when you need to write a car crash report, what a car crash report should include, and where your car crash report should be submitted. We're eForms, the world's largest database of online legal forms, and we're here to explain and simplify complex legal processes that you may come across in everyday life. You can find a fillable template at the end of this video to complete your own car crash report in just minutes. So you got an fender bender. What are the next steps? Do you need to fill out a car crash report? The answer depends on a few factors. The severity of the accident. While filling out a car crash report is always recommended as a means to keep an accurate record of the incident, it may be legally required as well. Most states legally require car crashes to be reported to the police and the DMV if it results in death or injury of a driver or passenger, or if it causes damage of more than $1,000 to a vehicle or property. Whether a police report was filed. If it was a minor collision, it's likely that the police didn't show up to the scene and complete a traffic collision report. Because insurance companies typically rely on police reports to investigate and process claims, it is highly recommended that you create your own crash report detailing the circumstances of the accident. It can also act as evidence if you need to file a personal injury claim in courts. So what should a crash report include? It should include the following details: date, time, and location of the accident. A factual account of what led to the collision, description of any injuries or damage, both drivers' information, their full names and contact information, driver's license number, vehicle make and model, and insurance information, and witnesses' names and contact information. Now that you know what your crash report should include, where should you submit the crash report? As mentioned previously, most states legally require a written report to be submitted to the DMV within a specific time frame if a traffic accident causes an injury, death, or damage surpassing a set limit. For example, in California, state law requires a written report to be filed to the DMV within 10 days of the accident. If no police report was filed and sent to the DMV, it is the responsibility of the parties involved in the accident to submit a written report to the DMV. It's also likely that your insurance company will request a written report detailing your account of the accident to determine who was at fault and the validity of the claim. Check out the links below for a fillable form to create your own car crash report and for state-specific DMV forms to report a traffic accident. Want to learn more? Visit our website at eForms.com, where we have thousands of pages dedicated to simplifying confusing legalese so that you can take legal matters into your own hands.